This is the Hamilton Model 4992B military watch with a 12-hour dial. And it's got the hack feature. So they can precisely time it. And then you just pull it out and it stops, so you can set it to the second. This one doesn't have any markings on the back. If you open it up, you can see the movement. Oh, there you go. Whoops, upside down. Yeah, it's US Government Mark II. And we can stop it again. Ah, crap. There you go. With a little spring thing that comes out and hits against the balance. I don't know if you can see it there. Whoops. I think it has to be oiled. Let's see if we can see that. Yeah, just by the 4 there and the serial number. There you go. 22 joules. This one's rather clean. Yeah, I'm going to rotate it so people can read it. There you go. Whee! It's a nice watch.